Guys, it's me. Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace a lamp on a LCD rear projection, a DLP rear projection, or a regular rear projection TV. So, okay, as you can see, I already got it apart. There's the mirror glass in it. This is the one that came out of it. As you can see, ain't no good. Anyways, the lamp will be inside here. That'll actually be in there further. And then this door, and then this door. It'll be just like that, except to be on the TV. But anyways, take this door off. It's just a little. You push this forward, you push this down, it comes right off. Okay. This one, see how it says open and then close? You twist it, it takes the inner door off. So, and then to take the lamp out, you grab a hold of the lamp, just like this. You pull this up, see, it undoes the deal, and it pulls out. This one ain't no good. So, take your new lamp, unpack it. Do not touch the bulb. The bulb is made out of halogen. You do not want to touch it. Halogen's very, very, very sensitive. So do not touch the bulb, by no means necessary. Anyways, you slide the new lamp in. You're going to slide it in until you hear a click. That one clicked, so see? It's not coming out now. Oh, and before you do all this, unplug the TV, because you don't want to get electrocuted. It'd be a very bad thing to happen. So what you do, you put this door back in. It'll only go in so far. Okay, that one's back in. Now you take this door. It's got two notches in the bottom. You just align them right where they go. And there we go. We're done. So now we can plug this TV back in. And we can turn it on. Should work. Better work. Or I'm going to be pissed. Anyways, you plug it in. And you turn it on. Give it a minute for the lamp to warm up. See, now the lamp light ain't flashing anymore. We can close this door now. See that message in the bottom? We need to clear that. So I need to find the original remote. Make sure it's got good batteries in it. Okay. See if it works. Get my holster. Oh, doggy. See if I can find the setting. Let's see. They're not like the LCDs where the newer flat panels where they come on instantly. They take a minute. So, and now our message should be gone. See, our message is now gone. And this completes the process of replacing the lamp. Well guys, I'll see y'all on the next tutorial or project. Cool.